Welcome to another PCS demonstration video. Today we'd like to introduce you to the AirTect plastic leak detection system. This system is designed to detect leaks around your press nozzles and can be adapted to detect leaks around your hot runner manifold systems. The system can be fitted to work with any hot runner system. The AirTect system will dramatically reduce downtime and minimize costly repairs due to plastic leaks. The unit is totally independent when connected to your press alarm 24-volt interface contact. This is not a temperature-based design. It runs on only 2 to 3 psi of air pressure. The starter kit comes with a small controller, an air regulator, silicone tube, stainless steel tube, and PU tube. With this kit, you'll be well equipped to start detecting leaks around your press nozzle. Using this starter kit, you can build up to doing hot runner manifold leak detection. You will need to purchase the leak manifold alarm module and the manifold distribution base. With these two items, you will get more of the tubing previously noted, plus brackets to attach to your hot runner manifold. You will also need to purchase the communication cable that fits between your controller, from the starter kit to the alarm manifold. We have a variety of different lengths to choose from. Once you assemble the system and turn it on, you're all set. The system blows 2 to 3 psi of air through the tubes. As soon as there is a blockage detected, an alarm will be activated, notifying the operator of the leak. The AirTect system is incredibly sensitive and will recognize most leaks. Thank you for watching our video today. For more information, go to our website at www.pcs-company.com.